Hi, wonderful Earthlings. So want to make sure everybody has access to the virtual Glencoe lab. If you could not get access to it, this video will do it with you. It's just a brief introduction and you can answer all the questions except for one. I mean, you really could answer one without the lab, but it helps. And I did want you to all get to play with the lab, but that's okay. At least you are going to get it here. And I hope that you're having an awesome day. Talk to you soon. Go team. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the virtual lab that some of you are having trouble getting to work. It's obviously not the same, but I can at least show you. You've got your altitude on this side, you've got your layers on the other side of the atmosphere, and you're gonna launch this little rocket. So I go over here to the altitude and I go all the way up. Let's see, I'll just go to, I don't know, 100 kilometers. Okay. So now there's my little rocket. I'm going to launch it and see what happens. Ah, 200. Got to the thermosphere. Yay. So then it shows you your density or the percent of level density, of sea level density. And you've got pressure and temperature. Negative is 65 degrees Celsius. And the pressure. So if I can take this. Let's go all the way. We're going to get really extreme since we're only getting to do a couple trials with Miss McDowell. All the way just it says no. It says it can't do it. Can't go to 500, right? So we're at 400 kilometers, which is super far away from us. Where's my mouse? Okay, so we're ready to launch. Here we go. And then, it's hard to film and scroll. Show phenomenon.
Auroras are brilliantly colored flashes of light that occur when solar flares from the sun create magnetic storms near the poles of the Earth. Auroras are sometimes called the northern or southern lights.
Cool, huh? So if we drag it back down and we did like lower and we just stayed in like mesosphere, maybe. I gotta reset it. Sorry, I forgot. And we stayed in like mesosphere-ish area, and then we launch. Yay! Tell us what happens there.
Noctilucent clouds are the highest clouds in Earth's atmosphere. They exist in the mesosphere, where temperatures are very low. Noctilucent clouds are formed when ice crystals cling to dust particles in the air.
So now we've got it set to 100 kilometers. What happened?
Meteor trails, sometimes called shooting stars, are actually rocks or other particles from space entering Earth's atmosphere and burning up before they hit the ground. They usually become visible around 100 kilometers above sea level.
Your first question on your lab questions for the virtual lab, ask if you launched a rocket 210 kilometers above sea level, what layer would you be in? So if you look at your altitude on the left side right here, or my left side, yeah. And the layers on the right, you can see how high that would be, and you could look at what layer that is, and then you could answer your questions. All the other questions on your lab, you don't need the lab for, so hopefully that will help. And I look forward to seeing all your answers and hoping you're getting lots of good information. I'd hoped you could all launch rockets and play with this, but that's okay. Now you get a virtual experience. Yay!